Ever wondered how SSL analysis helps in preventing cyber threats? Picture this. You're sending a letter, but instead of a regular envelope, you're using a special one that can only be opened by the recipient. That's SSL, or Secure Socket Layer, for you. It creates an encrypted link between a web server and a browser, ensuring that all data passed between them remains private and integral. Now here's where SSL analysis enters the picture. It's like having a skilled detective who can examine the special envelope, ensuring it hasn't been tampered with or intercepted. SSL analysis plays a vital role in identifying and mitigating cyber threats, from detecting malware to preventing data breaches. It's a powerful tool in our cybersecurity arsenal, helping to keep our digital world safe and secure. But SSL analysis is more than just a security measure. It's a way to build trust, ensuring that our sensitive information is protected when we're online. Now, knowing the importance of SSL analysis, you might be curious about how to perform it. Let's dive into that. Wireshark is a popular tool for SSL analysis. Here is a simple guide on how to perform SSL analysis using Wireshark. To start, you'll need to install Wireshark on your system. You can download it from the official Wireshark website and follow the instructions to install it on your platform of choice. After installation, launch Wireshark and get ready to capture some packets. Capturing packets is the first step in our SSL analysis. To do this, select the appropriate network interface from the list presented on the Wireshark home screen and click the Start button. This action will begin capturing all the data that passes through that interface. Now, it can be quite overwhelming to see all this data flowing in real time. But don't worry, Wireshark provides filters to help us focus on the data relevant to our SSL analysis. In the filter bar, type SSL or TLS, depending on the protocol you wish to analyze, and hit Enter. This action will filter out all non-SSL or non-TLS traffic, making the data much easier to manage. Once you've captured some packets, it's time to analyze. Click the Stop button to halt the packet capture, and then you can start delving into the data. Click on a packet to see more details about it in the middle pane, and even more granular information in the bottom pane. Look for the handshake protocol and cipher suite details to get insight into the SSL TLS configuration of the server you're analyzing. Remember, SSL analysis isn't just about looking at encrypted data. It's about understanding the details of the SSL TLS handshake process, the certificates in use, and the cipher suites chosen. This information can help identify potential vulnerabilities in the server's SSL TLS configuration. With these steps, you can effectively perform SSL analysis using Wireshark. But how does it compare with other tools? There are various tools available for SSL analysis, each with its unique features and functionalities. Let's delve into a comparative analysis of these tools, starting with Wireshark, a widely used and open-source packet analyzer. Wireshark's strength lies in its detailed packet-level analysis, making it ideal for in-depth network diagnostics. However, it may be overwhelming for beginners due to its complex interface. Contrastingly, SSLize focuses solely on SSL and TLS analysis, offering a user-friendly interface and comprehensive SSL configuration testing. Still, it lacks the broad network analysis capabilities of Wireshark. Another contender is testssl.ch, a free and open-source tool that excels in ease of use and compatibility, as it runs on any system supporting Bash. However, it might not provide as thorough an analysis as the other two. In essence, choosing the right tool depends on your specific needs and the nature of the network you're working on. To get the most out of SSL analysis, it's essential to follow some best practices. Firstly, it's crucial to ensure that you're using up-to-date tools and software. Cyber threats evolve rapidly, and so do the tools designed to combat them. By keeping your tools current, you can be confident that they're equipped to identify and handle the latest types of threats. Next, consistency is key. Regularly conducting SSL analysis can help you to identify any anomalies or potential threats early on. Remember, it's not just about reacting to threats but proactively looking for them. This ongoing vigilance is a vital part of maintaining a strong cybersecurity posture. In addition, don't underestimate the importance of thorough analysis. It's not enough to simply run the tools and move on. Take the time to really examine the results, look for patterns, unusual activity, or anything that seems out of place. Sometimes the smallest detail can be the key to identifying a major threat. One common mistake to avoid is neglecting encrypted traffic. While encryption is a critical security measure, it can also be exploited by cybercriminals to hide their activities. Therefore, it's important to include encrypted traffic in your SSL analysis. Another tip is to leverage automation where possible. Automating repetitive tasks can free up your time to focus on more complex aspects of SSL analysis. However, don't rely on automation alone. It's essential to maintain a human touch to your analysis, as some threats may only be identifiable through human intuition and expertise. Lastly, always stay informed about the latest cybersecurity trends and threat intelligence. The world of cybersecurity is ever-changing, and staying ahead of the curve can give you the upper hand against potential threats. Attend webinars, read industry reports, join online forums, do whatever you can to keep your knowledge up to date. By following these best practices, you can effectively use SSL analysis to enhance your cybersecurity measures. Remember, SSL analysis isn't just a tool, it's a strategic part of your overall cybersecurity approach. It's about understanding the digital landscape, identifying potential threats, and taking proactive measures to safeguard your digital assets. SSL analysis is not just a theory, it's a practical tool used by cybersecurity professionals around the world. Let's delve into some real-life success stories that underscore its value. Consider the instance of a global banking corporation that was targeted by cybercriminals. The attackers launched a sophisticated phishing campaign, but thanks to SSL analysis, the cybersecurity team was able to detect suspicious encrypted traffic patterns and thwart the attack in its early stages, saving potentially millions in losses. Then there's the story of a tech startup that used SSL analysis to uncover a hidden malware in their network. The malware was cleverly designed to steal sensitive data while masquerading as legitimate SSL traffic. However, upon rigorous SSL analysis, the malicious traffic was identified and the malware neutralized. These examples demonstrate the crucial role of SSL analysis in today's digital world. It's more than a security measure, it's a lifesaver in the vast sea of cyber threats.